Okay, some more questions based upon proportion. So here he's saying that if x minus 2, x plus 2, 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 19 are in proportion, find the value of x. So since these numbers are in proportion, so can we write them as x minus 2 upon x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 19, right? Now we can cross multiply 2x plus 19 into x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. Cross multiply. Okay, so 2x into x becomes 2x square minus 4x plus 19x and minus 38. Now this is equal to 2x square plus x plus 4x and then plus 2. So 2x square and 2x square will go. We are left with 19 minus 4 is 15x minus 38 equal to, this side we have 5x plus 2. 4x plus x is 5x plus 2. Right? So let's shift this 5x to this side and 38 to this side. So 15x minus 5x is equal to 38 plus 2. Right? So you are getting 15 minus 5 is 10x equal to 40. 38 plus 2 is 40. So your x is 40 divided by 10. So your x is 4. What does that mean? X is 4. When you substitute x here, these 4 numbers will be in proportion. Now, another type. Find two numbers whose mean proportion is 36 and the third proportional is 288. So, let's assume that we are saying that let the two numbers be x and y. Right? And he's saying that b square, we know that b square, if we have two numbers, say for example a, b and c, and if b is the mean proportion between a and b, we always express it as b square equal to ac or b is equal to under root of ac. We have done that in the previous sums. Now here he's saying that 36 is the mean proportion between these two numbers x and y. So what does that mean? Does that mean b square is equal to xy? We'll keep b as the mean proportion. So does that mean he has already given us b as 36? Does that mean 36 into 36 is equal to x into y? Right? And further he's saying that the third proportional is 288. What does that mean? That means that if we have x, y, then 288 will be the third proportion. And how do we set the proportion between them? X upon y is equal to y upon 288. We know this. So we will get 288x by cross multiplying equal to y square. Right? Now, using these two equations, we'll find the values of x and y. What we can do from here is, from this equation, if I find the value of x, this y will go under this. So I will have 36 into 36 upon y equal to x. Right? Now I will come back to this equation and substitute the value of x as this. So 288 will remain there into 36 into 36 divided by y equal to y square. Fine. So what will happen is that I will cross multiply. 288 I can write as 36 into 8 into how many 36s? 2 36s, and y into y square is equal to y cube. So finally I have 36 whole cube into 2 cube equal to y. Does that mean 36 into 2, sorry, this is y cube, equal to y? So 72. equal to y. You have found the value of y. Now, you need to find the value of x. So, let's choose this equation only. We'll go here and substitute the value of y as 72. So, 36 into 36 divided by 72 is equal to x. 36 2s are 2 18s are. So, I got the value of x as 18. That's how you have to do such questions. Now, one more type. Now, he's saying that if x plus 5 is the geometric mean between x plus 2 and x plus 9, it's already given that x plus 5 is the geometric mean between x plus 2 and x plus 9. Find the value of x. Now, again, let's recall ourselves that b square is equal to ac. Fine. So, let's consider that this is b, this is a and c. So, b square x plus 5 is already the geometric mean between these two numbers. So, we can write x plus 5 whole square is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 9. Right? So, let's open this. This becomes x square plus 25 plus 10x equal to x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 9 2s are 18. So, x square and x square will go. You are left with 10x. 9x plus 2x is 11x. So, let's shift this here. You will get 25 minus 18 is equal to 11x minus 10x. So, if you subtract 18 from 25, that is 7 equal to x. So, you got the value of x as 7. Again, then we have two numbers. Now, this question is also similar like the previous one which we did. Find the two numbers whose mean proportion is 28 and the third proportional is 224. So, let's assume let the required numbers be. Now, we know the procedure. Numbers be a and b. This time we will take a and b. Okay. Then, the mean proportion between them is 28. Does that mean, let's choose any, okay, let's write mean proportional between is under root of AB, right? Now, mean proportion is 28. That means 28 is equal to under root of AB. So, if you want to get rid of this square root, this will come here as 28 into 28 equal to AB, right? So, this is one of the equations that I have got. And also, he is saying that the third proportional between A and B is 224. So, how do we write these three numbers now? A, B and 224. Let's set the proportion between them. A by B is equal to B by 224. So, if we cross multiply, what will we get? 224A is equal to B square. Right? Now, using these two equations, we have to get the value of A and B. So, what will we do? We will shift this B here. We will get 28 into 28 upon B equal to A. Now, we will take this value of A here in this equation. We will get 224 into 28 into 28 divided by B equal to B square. Now, cross multiply, we will get 224 in terms of 28. Can I write this in terms of 20? Yes, 28 8s are. So, 28 into 8 into 28 into 28 is equal to B cube. So, I got 28 cube into 2 cube equal to B. So, 28 into 2 is my B now. So, 56 is my B. I found the value of B. Now, I need to find the value of A. How will I find the value of A? I'll go back to this equation and substitute the value of B. So, I have 28 into 28 divided by 56 is equal to A. 28 2s are 2 14s are. Fine. So what is my A now? 40. So I have got the value of A and B.